How to fix pop-ups randomly appear on the Android device that sends you to Google Play Store. So if you're facing a problem with that, and if you want to fix the problem which directly takes you to the Google Play Store, then what you can do is you need to simply have the full version of that application. So this might happen if you don't install the application completely. So while installing an application, you need to simply wait for 2 to 3 minutes till it's being downloaded, and then you need to go back. So if you've done that, then you might find that kind of problems. So simply just wait for the download and your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you need to simply uninstall the application which is making the problem. So for example, if I open my mobile device and if it's automatically taking me to the Skype, or if it's taking me to any other application without even opening it, then what you can do is simply uninstall the application and then again install it, and your problem might be fixed. And the second thing you need to do is open up your settings on your mobile device and then scroll down and go for apps. And under your applications, you need to simply tap on Google Play Store, open up your Google Play Store, and you can tap on permissions. And here, make sure that you have allowed everything. And then you can go for storage and cache, and then you need to go for clear cache. And you can also tap on clear storage and clear your storage, and then you need to log into your account again. So once you've done that, now your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then there might be some kind of virus on your Android device. So simply choose any third-party applications or anything to clear the cache or clear the virus on your device. And once you've cleared that, you need to restart your device, and once you've restarted, your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix the pop-ups that randomly appear on your Android device that sends you to Google Play Store. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.